Bom dia! Greetings from Portugal, Lisbon. Today I had a day to myself. I'm not here on a photography trip. It's kind of more of a tag-along trip. Although I had a day to myself, and today is the only day that it's going to be good. Kind of more of a rain-free day. Since I'm here, it's been raining. But I came here to this nature reserve, and it's called, let me see here, I have it here, just Observatorio de Aves do Parque Linear do Estuário do Tejo. Don't judge my Portuguese, it's really bad. But this is exactly where I am. I'm gonna put up a map right now here and just show you guys, so if in case you are around here you can come and see the place. Looks really nice so far. I can also hear already birds that I never heard before, so I just really hope I will see some birds that aren't in Ireland, and that's the goal. I'm not sure where to start, but it looks quite a big place. So let me just show you guys here. Also, I made a huge mistake. Well, I don't even have one myself, and that's binoculars, but that's another story for another day, I suppose. So as you can see here, beautiful place, and it runs all the way down that way. But yes, let's not waste time. Let's get the camera out and come along with me, and let's see what we see. So there are these footpaths everywhere, and what I just did, now I sat down here and I have this in front of me, so kind of like bushes. I can hear these birds around, and I just looked it up. One of them is called European Serin, if I say it correctly, and I'm gonna try to video or photograph it, so hopefully patience it pays off and they fly on these bushes, so we shall see. Right, so far I haven't got any real shots, unfortunately. Birds are all over the place though, and there is 2 or 3 new species that I was able to record and check what birds they are. By the way guys, I'm using 2 apps. No, just one app, the Merlin Bird ID. So you can identify the birds with the call, or you can identify them with a picture. So if you take a picture of them, you can actually upload it and able to check. So I have taken a picture now of a new species, and that was the bird. Let me check. I already forgot. So let me show you guys. So you can choose a bird, okay? You can zoom in. I'm not sure if you can see much here, but you zoom in and you just say next and identify. And that was actually, guys, the Sardinian warbler. So that's a new species for me. New species in the book. Let me show you guys actually the picture. It isn't the best picture. It was still far, but I'll pop it up on the main screen anyway. So I'm just sitting here and I'm hoping something gonna land nearby me. So fingers crossed. So nothing so far. I'm not able to photograph or video anything because nothing is close to me, and just really lost here with the area. I think I'm just gonna have to put in a good few hours and hopefully something gonna come by. But I have a common sandpiper here, and I heard also another bird which I recorded. I'm gonna have to look up later, and that also indicates that my knowledge on birds is really bad, and it's time to take out the book, the bird guide, and learn my birds. But yeah, the place is really nice so far. So I just hope something lands nearby and I'm able to record it. There are big clouds are coming really dark, so hopefully it's not going to be huge rain or it will pass very soon. And we can continue with this good weather today. There is a pied avocat on the other side of the shore. So as you can see here, the shore, there is on the other side too, and in between us, kind of like the canal, as the water is coming in from the city. So it's that canal is in between us, but there is the pied avocat on the other side. Hopefully he'll make his way here. So I'm just making my way more further down that way, and as you can see, I'm on this really long path here, and I had a black red start just messing with me here and landing on the corridor or whatever they called on these footpaths. So I was able to photograph him, and he was posing me really nicely, so that was nice. I'm gonna pop everything at the end, all the images at the end of the video. And I can see another bird, so let me see what it is. Hold on a second, guys. So it was a European stonechat. I knew it was familiar to me, that little bird, but I just didn't want to say in case I'm wrong. But yeah, a couple of eagles flying by here. And so I'm just gonna walk up here to the end of this footpath, and then I'll just sit down there. There is kind of like an observatory. But this kind of a photography I haven't done years. Just kind of walk in and see what I see. But of course it is really hard to photograph and finding the species when you don't know where you are, what you can find. But it's fun. At least I go out and there is a day of photography anyways. Also the weather really reminds me of Ireland today. Once it's really warm, once it's really cold. But yeah, let me show you guys anyway around, kind of like a 360. So, as you can see here, that's where the river runs. And then you see Lisbon here. I'm not sure if you can see, but look at the huge buildings. And a bit of fields here. So yeah, what I will do now is, I think I'm just gonna settle down here. Let me show you. In this, gonna have some water. And again, hopefully, I'll wait out some kind of a little birds and something lands in front of me. But yeah, that's pretty promising. So these reeds here, maybe. Oh, I can see. I have no idea what kind of a bird it is. Never heard. Boy, I need to learn so much about birds. I need to learn all the songs. Probably some common bird. Who knows? Let's see. A kestrel, a kestrel. Oh man, that was awesome. But I didn't have much time. Shoot, if I could have spotted beforehand. I wonder if that bird that was giving the huge call was a warning and actually I didn't see him. Shoot. Well. Yeah, I got him a bit hovering. Now he moved away. But that was awesome. That was really the swallows are here in Portugal already. I saw 2 so far. That's cool. Hopefully they're back in Ireland soon too. It's getting windy and cold. I have to put my jacket on. But I just decided to stay here until I go home for another hour or 2. I'll stay here and then after I call it a day. So hopefully at least I get a proper picture at least of the zitting or the Sardinian warbler. So yeah, fingers crossed. and just gonna watch out now. So as you can see here, let me show you guys. You have here the opening, but on the side here where there are a few more bushes, there is no opening here, so I can't really photograph, which is a bit silly. But I got the zitting and the Sardinian warbler. Have a look. That's the zitting. And the warbler. Happy days. Unfortunately, I couldn't get a video of it, and that's the downside. I'm not sure which one to do, images or videos, but yeah, that's another species. Oh, that's a wrap, guys. What a day. Nice little day out anyway. Weather-wise, a little bit crazy. It wasn't raining today, but it was once cold, once really warm. But I won't be complaining. Once it's no rain, that's all it matters to me. Nice little nature reserve. It's just a bit outside of the city center, around 20 to 25 minutes. You can get an Uber or a taxi out here. It saves so much hassle and won't break the wallet. Maybe around €12, I think. Although, yeah, it's easy to get out here. I will leave everything down below in the description. I saw a couple of new species, which is really cool. I was happy to see them and photograph them. I saw kestrels and harriers too. I wasn't sure which one. I have to go home and see. Was it a hen or a marsh or who knows what. And yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram here. You can also see all my work on my website. The link below in the description also. You can see it, or I would recommend actually to watch it on a desktop or a laptop. You can really see in a higher resolution too. And thank you so much for watching all my content. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.